Good morning. My name is Nelson David Parada Pinzon. I am 31 years old. I live in Bogota 10 years ago, but I am from Vianney, Cundinamarca. I study Business Administration at the UNAD, and I am third semester course. I speak about the Festival of Bands Vianney. This festival was created in 2003 in commemoration of the 150 years of my town. The name of the festival is a tribute to musical teacher who won a lot of awards with the band of Vianney, Carlos Julio Parra Vivas. The festival is celebrated in the month of November because it is the birthday of my town. In this festival participate around 50 bands. These bands are from municipalities of department and national level. There are also orchestras to liven up the nights of festival with verbenas and alboradas. Invitation. Finally, I want to invite everyone who sees this video to visit my town and the course enjoy the Colombian music played by traditional band. Vianney is located just 85 kilometers from Bogota, living by 13th Street. Vianney has an average climate of 22 degrees and nice place. Thank you very much.